Brand new Raindance Waterfall 304 stainless steel kitchen sink. Washing vegetables, cutting vegetables, draining, easy to solve, does not occupy countertop space. The waterfall style drenches out the water, which is soft and does not splash. Pull-out faucets come with 3 dispensing modes. Equipped with a high-pressure glass washer. Extra-large capacity sink for more utensils. Black diamond microcrystalline nano process, no dirt. The sink is made of 3mm stainless steel, which is strong and durable. This is a high-quality and good-looking multifunctional sink.